Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another new video. So guys, today I have many colorful of toys here, and today I'll introduce all of toys and vehicles, and finally I'll hand driving with one by one. So first one is here. This is a momentum Truk car and I'll hand driving with my hand. So let's go. Okay, I'll park here. There is the next one is army helicopter, so I'll trying this one also with my hand. Okay, I'll park here. There is the next one is a Lexus car, so I'll trying this Lexus car also with my hand. Okay, I'll park here besides of helicopter. There is the next one is a under construction vehicle dump truck, so I'll trying this one also with my hand. Okay, I'll park here besides of Lexus car. There is the next one is a 3D runner car, so I'll trying this one also with my hand. Okay, I'll park here besides of dump truck. There is the next one is R17 high-speed Honda, so I'll trying this one also with my hand. Okay, I'll park here besides of runner car. There is the next one is a tourist bus, so I'll trying this tourist bus also with my hand. Okay, I'll park here besides of R17 bike. There is the last one is a under construction vehicle mixer truck, so I'll trying this one also with my hand. Okay, I'll park here. So guys, today ending my video here, and see you soon with next time with many colorful of toys. Thank you so much.